Santa, we have a problem. Look at the snow globe.
The Northeast Rest Stop. The roof is destroyed. Call Old Saint Griff at Brown Roofing immediately.
Head claws, call Brown Roofing. This Christmas roof rescue will turn into a Christmas roof disaster.
Brown Roofing, Old St. Griff here.
Old Saint Griff, I need your help. A storm caved in the roof of my rest stop.
Santa, my crew is on its way.
That's what he thinks.
Roofing emergency! Roofing emergency!
Bill? Who's the green guy?
Wrong truck. Oh, this will be a real catastrophe! My plan is not working.
I'll get you for this!
Chris, we need nails. The Grinch stole all our nails.
I'm on my way, Bill. I won't let you down. Bill, I've got your nails and the Grinch. They think I'm done. I'm never done.
They can't fix the roof without shingles. These elves are ruining everything. This is infuriating!
Santa, your roof's all set. Safe and dry, ready to go.
Old Saint Griff, I knew you'd come through.
Santa, you know Brown won't let you down.
I'm not done with you, Old Saint Griff. Wait till next year.